Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi Apar, welcome to Indian Express.
Thank you so much, Baba. What's happening? How are you?
You know, I would have normally asked and began my interview by asking you how is the lockdown going, but we know it is going great. I mean, you're not just being entertained yourself, but you're entertaining everybody and everyone. All the people who follow you are having a ball. But ठीक है, फिर भी फॉर्मेलिटी कर लेते हैं. मैं पूछ लेती हूँ इस बार. लॉकडाउन कैसा चल रहा है?
फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं चलेगी. First thing first. फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं चलेगी इस इंटरव्यू में और इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में.
We've seen a side of you during this whole period with all your Instagram lives and, you know, like dancing on high heels and all of those kind of phases. And you know, how are you sort of keeping it together for yourself personally when it comes to, you know, your maintaining your personal sanity?
So maintaining my personal sanity, what I've done is that I've made a list of people जो स्कूल टाइम, कॉलेज टाइम, क्रिकेट डेज, रेडियो डेज, लॉ डेज, थिएटर डेज से लेकर अब मुंबई डेज तक, people who have been, you know, who have had a happy influence, you know, who have kept a happy environment around me. I try calling them, you know, each day, हर एक को एक करके कॉल कर रहा हूँ, trying to catch up on old things and also trying to get those happy, positive vibes. I think it's really important to keep that vibe flowing, you know. अगर मैं, when you say through Instagram or through my others, you know, video calls, if I'm trying to give that happy vibe away, I need to take it from someone else as well.
You've been working pretty much, you know, since Dangal, and you've been like this hot property with all the success post 3 and Pati Patni. And
no one has ever used that term for me. Thank you so much. I love you for that.
No, I mean, you know, even with like, you know, co-anchoring IFA with Ayushman, have you gotten the time to sit and contemplate on the pace your graph was moving constantly upwards, and now with the things are uncertain, what are you telling yourself constantly?
At the pace you're moving, it does get hit because of, you know, such lockdowns and such, you know, जो काम नहीं हो पा रहा है काफी जगहों पे, especially, you know, shoots नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, because the kind of films I've been a part of, you need at least a team of 50 to 100 people to cater to that set, you know. Dangal had about 290 crew members, if I'm not wrong. Even Street Dancer was a big crew. So these were the two most expensive films, and then, you know, Pati Patni or Wo, Lukka Chuppi, Stree, they're all big films, you know, and they've all done good at the box office as well. That's what. So to make up for that big crew, you know. So coming back to the point, कि हाँ pace hit जरूर होगी, but यार I think जब कभी मेरे ऊपर इंडिविजुअल संकट आती है ना, मैं तब भी परेशान नहीं होता. ये तो ग्लोबली सबके ऊपर आ गई है संकट. So number 1 is that. Number 2, what we are facing right now is a lot more bigger than, you know, any actor's career.
You had portrayed the role of a friend of the lead. The lines are kind of blurring now between, you know, actors choosing supporting roles, because they're all character driven at the end of the day.
Earlier, I think all the journalists also only wanted to interview or have a conversation only with the A-listers. I think that's the kind of paradigm shift we have had, and hence even actors don't mind taking up these parts. They feel happy about, okay, if you go and do your job, there will be someone who would, you know, come and want to talk about your work. There were a couple of people around in my team and outside my team, you know, who were telling me कि यार कई बार ना लोग आपको अपने नाम से नहीं जानते हैं, कैरेक्टर नाम से जानते हैं. We need to build up. We need to work on that front. People should know your name. I was like, dude, it is such a special feeling. Forget it. Forget Apar Shakti. People should always know me as Bittu from Stree and keep saying Vicky please when I cross them. when I cross them, people should just remember Omkar from Dangal and say, "Inka good luck charm to main hu na." One thing which is a takeaway for me, which is a lot more bigger than an award, is that person who came to take a selfie with me at an airport, and he took a selfie and he says, "वार से एक बात बोलूँ आपको, अगर बुरा नहीं मानो." मैंने कहा बोलिए ना. So he says, आपने ना हीरो के दोस्त को ना इज्जत दे दी है.
How sweet.
You have no idea at all. I was like, dude, I don't need awards.
पंजाबी मुंडे को ऐसे यूपी के एक्सेंट मतलब कैसे पुल ऑफ करते हो आप हर एक फिल्म.
Punjabi Munde ko. I love the way you say Punjabi Munde. Are you from Delhi? Where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
I figured with that Punjabi Munde ko. Okay. So, yaar, I think theatre helped a lot. Radio helped a lot. One more thing which I believe really worked out for me is that I'm such a people's person that I, like, for example, when we were making Stree and when we were in MP for, right from the start of the shoot, I got really close to the caretaker of our, guest house. I got really close to the cook of that guest house, and they were all localites from MP. So I started talking to them a lot. तो वो जो वहाँ पे localites से बातें करना, जाकर मिलना, interact करना, it really helps me to become the guy from that region.
I have a few pictures. Those are stills from some of your movies. Identify your dialogue or any other dialogue that might suit that particular photograph.
और जो मैंने मिसाल ले चलता हूँ, आपके पैर दबा दूंगा, खाना बना दूंगा, सब्जी वगैरह ले आऊंगा, आपको कोई लोड नहीं आने दूंगा. तो कॉमनवेल्थ का मामला है ना, चांस नहीं ले सकते. I connected with the last line so well that कॉमनवेल्थ का मामला है, चांस नहीं ले सकते ना. I think that feeling. So because I've been a failed sports person in life, I understood the gravity of the situation कि यार अगर मेडल नहीं आएगा घर पे ना, there is no, तो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनने का ना, the entire purpose gets defeated. I think it's just two lines, it's just two words, and those two words made so many, people fall in love with my character, and those two words, because of those two words, इतने सारे memes बने, which is Vicky please. हाँ राम तो प्यार से तो कह रहे हैं Vicky please. अरे यार प्यार से बोलना Vicky please. यार तुम्हारे अंदर ना प्रेम भाभी नहीं. अरे Vicky please. Then Abhishek Bachchan says Vicky please. ये उसका मुंह बोला बहन है भाई है जी. मुंह बोला भाई कैसे, ये तो बोल नहीं सकती, ये तो गूंगी है जी. जी इशारे से मुझे बहन बोलती है जी. इशारे से कैसे भाई बहन बनते जरा बना के दिखाओ. तो मैं वो ढमशराट सा खेल रहा हूँ. तो she says Rakhi. So it is such a, like, मैं वो करके नहीं दिखा सकता because you need those 2-3 people around to give those, give that banter to you. It was just amazing reading that scene, shooting that scene, watching that scene. यहाँ बहुमत से सरकार बनने जा रही है और तुमसे एक बागी गठबंधन नहीं बुलाया जा रहा. तो वो अपने करंट सिनेरियो को उसकी एक्स पास्ट गर्लफ्रेंड से पॉलिटिकली जोड़ना, उस सिचुएशन को, इट जस्ट, जब मैं पढ़ भी रहा था मुझे लगता था यार क्या लिखा है यार.